Hey guys, Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and this is the second video that I wanted to release today. This is the video that I was talking about where I was going to be telling you guys about a business opportunity. Well, it's not really a business opportunity, but it's something that I want to make known to any business owners that live in the States, okay? This is something I came across. It came across my desk. It's a very big lucrative offer for your business, and you can be eligible up to $32,000 in a relief fund. Now, I call it two different things. I call it a grant and I call it a relief fund, but I think it's more a relief fund because it's not really a grant. You don't pay it back, but you may be eligible up to $32,000 to your business if you were self-employed during the I think it's 2020 and 2021. So if you're self-employed during that era, 2020 and 2021, and they just came up with this, basically, if you were self-employed, they found out that you may be eligible for more of a refund, I guess, on your taxes per se. And they've basically gone and recruited affiliates to basically affiliate this program or affiliate this thing because no one's been claiming it. And what it is actually $50 billion that was set aside by the U.S. For people in the U.S. that were self-employed. And this goes for anyone, whether you're an Uber driver, you could be someone who has an Etsy shop, you could be someone who has it's for small business owners, basically. If you own a Walmart, you probably don't qualify for this because Walmart was still open during COVID. But if you were self-employed, like you were doing, let's say, like I said, Uber, Fiverr counts. If you're an affiliate marketer, that counts. And I think down further, if I actually scroll down, I think on this page um, it shows what who's eligible for this. And this is actually, like I said, they've recruited affiliates. What happens is you come into this page, you'll get into this page when you go through my link, which will be down in the description. Simply what it is you could be eligible up to 32,000 if you missed work, okay, or whatever. You can still go and get a free quote, and that's what it is. It's free, a free quote. You don't have to. There's no strings attached. There's no BS. This is not fake, okay. I'm not giving you something that's fake because I don't believe in that. But what you do is you just basically go get a free quote. Someone will call you. They'll go through it with you. And you also there's actually a built-in calculator that they have that will help you decide whether or not you get this refund even before you go through and get the phone call or whatever. You can see how much in a ballpark figure, how much you're going to get. Okay. So this is for businesses, people that are self-employed. So entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, things like that. If you're an Uber driver, the DoorDash even counts. I was amazed to see that DoorDash and Uber counted because I didn't think those were really self-employed, but I guess they are. Anyway, it's easy, fast, and accessible. They try and get the money out to you quick because this is money that's backlogged or owed from like a couple of years ago, right? So the patent pending technology, that's the calculator that calculates your tax credits, and that's what also calculates your ballpark figure for the 32,000 possibly. Now the average is $9,000. People are earning $9,000 for this. And yeah, so there's that. You got the accurate and compliant. So I mean, you could get the average, but there's also been people that have gotten the 32,000. But they have set aside. Sorry, I can't even select that. They've set aside 50 billion anyway for this. So this is a big, huge, blue ocean kind of thing, like that. but they've recruited affiliates basically to promote this. And I can also, I'm going to put down in my description as well, the link for if you want to be an affiliate and do this yourself, which you can still claim this. If you were self-employed during that time, you can claim this and also promote the offer. So I will put the link down in the description for that if you'd like to be an affiliate for this offer as well. Basically, so they give you a video. We're not going to watch the video really. It's only 5 minutes, 30 seconds. We might watch like a couple minutes of it or something. I don't know. Anyway, you can get your quote. These are the self-employed tax credits. This is nothing to do with the, I think it's the it is something to do with the IRS, but it's not exactly direct to them. So this is just basically, like I said, an extra fund, a relief fund for businesses, small businesses, because let's be honest, guys, small businesses suffered. I mean, here in my country, they didn't do shit for any small businesses. Okay. I'm sorry for the language yet again. I'm a trucker when it comes to language. But they did not do anything for anyone in my country when it came to small businesses. If you were a small business owner, they basically told you sank or swim. Okay. I even had I think I had my window business still back in 2021. And yeah, they didn't do anything for us. They basically told you sink or swim. That's it. We actually ended up losing a month of work because the lockdowns. My industry was allowed back after a month when I was a window cleaner, because cleaning people, like house cleaning people, were basically allowed back due to the fact that we're technically frontline workers. We had to go clean houses, blah, blah, blah. Cleaners were allowed, and that included window cleaners, stuff like that. So they allowed people like that to go back to work a month later after the lockdown started, but we lost a month worth of work. But basically the government said, flipped you the bird and said, sink or swim. No flotation devices, no nothing. Here you go. Which kind of sucked. It's kind of ridiculous. Anyway, I kind of like to see that, the U.S. government's at least taking care of their small businesses, because they realize that the small businesses are, you entrepreneurs, you solopreneurs. I mean, I'm part of that too. We are a different breed of people. We own our own businesses. We work hard every day, and it's nice to see that they're at least taking care of their small businesses, and that's really nice. So anyway, we scrolled down, and I believe who qualifies for the SETC fund. So here we go, or refund, I should say. So it's a refund is basically what it is. But anyway, accountants and bookkeepers, Airbnb hosts, Amazon resellers. So if you're someone who has an Amazon FBA reseller, basically, account, so if you have an Amazon FBA store, you would qualify for that. If you're a copywriter, if you're a construction worker, so if you own your own construction business, consultants, dentists, graphic designers, general practitioners, personal trainers, photographers, photographers, rideshare and delivery service drivers. So again, Uber, DoorDash, any of those people, real estate agents, social media marketers. So there's the marketers, veterinarians, website designers and developers. And basically, there's, the list keeps going on. There's not really, that's just a small, they couldn't list them all. And I believe it says that. No, it doesn't say here, but there was one part where I was looking and it said something about we can't list everything here, that who is, basically able. There's a frequently asked questions if you guys want to go take a look at that. There's things like how much is the processing fee. They charge a 20% processing fee, but that's to get it out to you quickly. You can use credit card, debit card, PayPal to pay that. You can pay in full or pay monthly, whatever. Monthly back guarantee, or sorry, money back guarantee. If you do not receive a refund for any reason, we'll reimburse you any fees you have paid. What is the average SETC refunds that people receive? That's where I found out the $9,400 is the average, but there's no harm in trying this, because it's $9,400 or upwards of that extra that you could possibly receive, right? To help fund your business. It's a tax refund, right? How long will it take to receive my SETC? It will take up to 3 weeks, or it can take up to 3 weeks. And 20 weeks for the IRS to process your SETC claim. However, clients typically receive the refund in about 9 weeks. So, yeah, it will take a couple of months, but hey, it's something, right? Like, you guys will get this to your business, for your business. I'm sharing this because it's something free. It's something that you don't have to do anything else except just book a free quote. That's it. Okay? And see if you qualify. There's no harm in trying, right? There's no harm in seeing whether or not you qualify for this. Anyway, do I have to repay the funds I received from the SETC? And they said, no, you do not. So it is not a loan. It is not a grant. The funds you receive are a refund against your taxes you have already paid or owed. Now, yes, some people have ended up owing, and if you do fill this out and you end up owing, or you only get $100, you can always just cancel it and say never mind. That's if, okay? But apparently this has been really good. People have been getting $9,000, but there's many people that have not done this. It's like, I forgot what they said in the video, but I think it was something like, it's only been like under 100 or 200 people or something like that. I can't remember exactly what they said, but it was really low. And they said there's like $50 billion here, and we don't have, no one's really gone for it, and it's crazy. So, are there any deadlines for claiming the SETC? Yes, 2 deadlines apply. So, it's between the deadline for your 2020 amended tax return is April 15th, 2024. This deadline applies to the period between April 1st, 2020 and March 31st, 2021, and it accounts for 15,110 SETC value. So the amended tax return is April 15th, 2025. So you only have till 2025 to get this. Okay, guys? So if you don't jump on this now, that's it. You lose out on this $50 billion, and they will take the $50 billion and put it back into government taxes, and it won't be seen again. But let's be honest, guys. Since 2020 and 2021, the world has been different, especially with businesses. And I say go for it. It can't hurt, going, and like you can even see down here, and it's an actual, this is, I think, an accounting. This specific place is an accounting firm that works with this $50 billion thing that's set aside. So yeah, they've got accountants all over, like nationwide. Okay. And yeah, like I said, I wish my government had done something like this, because we got nothing. I've been self-employed now I was self-employed in 2019 to 2021 with the window business. I started back to work for a little bit, and then I ended up starting my online business. And unfortunately, I wouldn't have qualified, or I would have qualified for the window business, but yeah, we don't do anything like that in Canada. My government apparently hates us, so that's fine. Anyway, So, check it out, guys. Like I said, the link will be down in my description. Oh, and the affiliate part of this. If you want to be an affiliate for this, I'll also have the link down in the description below. You can become an affiliate. And what happens then is if someone, let's say, gets the $9,000 refund, let's say, I think they said it was what, 9,400 it was the average. So the 9,400 average, let's just take a look here. So as an affiliate, if you bring someone to this page and they do end up going through and getting this set up and everything, the average is 9,400, right? So if you go times, I don't know if you can see my calculator. I've got it up on the screen right now, but I'm not sure if it's there. But anyway, and you do 15% of that. That's what you get as an affiliate for this. So if you do 15% of 9,400, you'll actually make 1,000 for everyone who fills this out and gets that refund. So if they get $9,400 average, okay, you get $1,410. That's what they're paying you to bring people to this offer. Okay. So these accountants are paying you $1,410 to bring people to this offer. And if they get the 32,000 refund, let's just say for fun, if someone does make, the actual 32,000, and 15% of that, guys, is $4,800, right? So if you want to be an affiliate for this, the link will be in the description. It'll be labeled as affiliate link, or I'll name it something else. I'll name it something like, I don't know, the link for the affiliates or something like that, or link for affiliates, and or link to recruit affiliates or something like that. I'll figure out something, guys. That will be the link you'll click if you're willing to try and advertise this. And also, you can also, like I said, you can fill out for this yourself if you are in the States and are self-employed and have been since 2020 and 2021. You can fill out for this as well. And I mean, even the affiliate, like if you just want to be an affiliate for it, I say go for it again. It's $1,000 you're going to get on average. And if you get someone that gets the full 32,000, hey, you know what? You make $4,800, guys. Amazing. All right, guys. That's it for today. I'm not going to be doing any more videos. But you guys have a great day. Stay cool. And like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Cheers.